Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can export source code files from HeyBossAI. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply navigate through your account, and from there, you then want to create a project or select a project that you want to export the source files of. In my case, I'm going to use this simple tic-tac-toe game project to demonstrate on how you can do so. So basically, once inside your dashboard, you then want to look for the download button right here, which is going to be the download code option. You then want to select this option right here. And from there, you simply want to click on the download button. Now, after clicking on download, you will be able to simply download, or let's just say export your source code right here. Now you cannot do this for free. You need to have a subscription of at least $100 to export or download your code. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.